Redeem is asking, what's the alternative to a refinance?
It all depends on what you're looking for. Some people refinance to get a lower payment amount. Some people refinance because they want to take cash out for a certain reason. Some people refinance so that they can take cash out to purchase other properties, which is a very good way to run your finances. But it all depends on why you're doing it. To answer that question, here's one thing that you may want to do. If you're refinancing to take cash out, maybe to do some repairs on the house, one alternative is a HELOC, home equity line of credit. That's an alternative that will not only serve a good purpose, but it will end up saving you money in the long run. So we can help you to manage all of that. So here's what we're also saying, folks. There are a lot of things that we're talking about on here, and then we're giving a high level view. All right. And with a high level view, you're getting just enough information to get you in trouble if we're trying to do this on your own. Please do it with a professional. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. And I've had people do it both ways. They did it on their own, or they started out with us. The people who did it on their own lost a lot of money and decided to come back to us. So there's two ways to go about this. We're using a computer to do all the calculations and do all the math. I've been doing this since 2006, and it seems easy when it comes from me. I'm telling you, it's not. You need a computer to do all of this stuff. And I sit down with people who have been in the industry for years, and they still get the computer because they can't beat it. You know, I live in Huntsville, Alabama, and we have more engineers here per capita than any other place in the world. Each engineer that comes into my office is armed for bear. They got their spreadsheets, they got all the stuff that they do, and they got it all figured out on how they're going to do their mortgage. Each and every one that comes to our office leaves with our program and forget about their spreadsheets. Okay. And these are engineers. And some of them are software engineers. And do you hear that term? It ain't rocket science. We actually have a rocket scientist on this program right here in Huntsville. Okay. All right.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.